Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on the treasure hunt game in GameMaker 8 Lite. And in this video we are going to add the um, object ghost. Remember, I already did this in the previous video, so just make sure you have some sort of a ghost or some sort of a thing that represents a ghost. And also remember that if you want to run it, you need to be on I would suggest, instead of having the level at the bottom 1 to 3, it will run in that sequence. Just put level 3 at the top, so that that one will run first. So this is what I've done for my. I've already created this. We've got our monsters, we've got our skeletons, we've got our treasure, and all in all. So we're starting there, and what we want to do now is to add the object ghost. So I'm going to make it start, it doesn't really matter where, I'll make it start, let's say there. So that in theory what we want to happen is as our player moves, we want the ghost to follow it, and then once they collide we'll just jump back to the start. And again, like I said, we'll add points and stuff later. We just want to get the functionality going first. So we want this ghost to track us wherever we move. So let's click on the object ghost and then code that. So what we need to do, we've got the object ghost, we need to add the event, and we want to create the step event, because we want the program, and in our case the ghost, to constantly check where we are as the hero and then to track us. So we're going to use a step event. Remember, it checks 30 times, it checks 30 times a second. We're going to use the move towards feature, and then we're going to say, and it's very important that you know what the spelling is of your object hero, like that with a capital H. So we're going to say object hero dot x, because we want the x coordinates of the object, and we want the y coordinates of our object for the x and the y, and the speed we're going to say is, let's say, 1.5, and then we can test it. So hopefully we'll see the ghost, hopefully it'll track towards us as we move, and then you can see how it works. So let's run the game, and we can click on that, and then hopefully we'll see the ghost tracking the hero. So we're waiting for it to load. So there the ghost is coming. Oh, that's actually relatively fast. I may have to change that. Our hero is at the top over there. I'm just going to move here. I'm going to go down, so hopefully the ghost will come down. It is changing direction. It's following us. I think that is way too quick. That's way too quick. The level will be way too difficult. I may have to make it 1. Let me first see if I can get through this alive, because maybe it is fine. Maybe I'm just being a little bit paranoid. So let's see. Where's the ghost? Oh, there it is. Right, it's tracking me, it's tracking me, it's tracking me. Let me see if I can evade it. Come on. There we go. So we're going to go down. Whoops. Right, let's go down. Whoops. Right, let's go. Run. Right, we're coming this way. Right, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Right, we're going there. Then we have to come in here. Oh, that's going to be a bit tight. We up. Let's go grab that one on that side, because that means the ghost has to come. Oh, I'm a bit trapped now. I'm a bit trapped now. No. Right, we're back at the starting position. Right, so that was a bit tight. What do I need? I still need. Whoa, the ghost is coming. Right, let's go. Whoops. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right, there we go. Ah, come on. No, he caught me. Right, so the ghost, I think, is just too fast. Just too fast for what we wanted. Oh, my days, I was too tight, too close. Right, this is just too fast. Right, I'm going to change this, because remember, you're not actually making the game for yourself. You're making it for your the people that will play your game. This is object ghost. So we want to move towards 1.5 is too fast. I'm going to make it. Let's just make it 1 and see what speed we have when we run this. Let's just have a look, because you have to enjoy it without getting frustrated. So where are we? There he is. So let's go and see if 1 is better. So it gives me a bit more time. It's going slightly slower. Let me grab that. Let me go grab that one in the end. Let me come down. So I've got a bit more time now. Let me just see what happens. Whoops. I must remember to actually press the button, so I must also keep an eye on the ghost. Ghost is coming, ghost is coming. It'll obviously get much tighter once. Where am I? Oh, everything is in the middle. That's too close. I'm gonna have to go around, go around, go all the way around. Right, dash. Let's dash for this. Right, now we can bring him all the way this way. Hello! That's playing too much, I think. Playing too much, and now let's... No! Right, let's try again. Where's the ghost? Oh, the ghost doesn't start. The ghost starts from when I get pushed back. Interesting. So, how do I? This is the problem, isn't it? Right, let's go. Let's go. Grab that one. Go grab that one. And this is the part where you should lure the ghost, really. Lure. This is where I trap myself. Let me go out. Come the other way. That way. Go back. That was maybe not the best use of the thing. Oh no! I made it through. Okay, cool. Come on. There we go. Now the ghost. It's actually still a little bit fast, but I might make it. Let me have a look. Right, I need to bring the ghost down here. How will I? Right, go. Run for your life. No, I'm not gonna make it. Right, let's go. Right, there we go. Whoops, one down. There. Right, I want to lure the ghost down. That's not going to help me. I'm going to have to go the other way. Right, and then I can hopefully make... Close. Right, I just have that the middle part. I just have the middle part to go. Maybe this should be my trick. Go all the way around. I just need to get in there now, really. Once I'm in there, but I need the ghost. No. This is so bad. I don't really want to make him slower because then it's just going to get in there. Right, let's go. Okay, up. Yep. Down. Right, did I? No, because he's hanging around in the middle, isn't it? I should now... Maybe I should just let him... Just bring him all the way to some sort of a corner. Maybe there. Right, let's have a look. I just need those other two. I need to bring him down. He's going to catch me before that happens. But I'm going to now do this. And then he's not going to get me because I'm going to be too fast. Right, now I'm going to lure him to this corner. And then see if I can just get away from the skeleton. Let's go down and then run. Run. Wait. Run there. Because, oh, I should have gone in. I never went in. That was not great. Right, let's see if we can... Because that's the problem. When I go around here now, that's going to be the problem. Right, lure him down here. And down there. And go. And go. And go. And go. Go to the furthest one. Down. Bring him up there. Down. Right, bring him there. Slow. There we go. That's gonna be the problem. That's gonna be the problem. Right, so now I just have one to go. Ugh, this is so bad. Right, bring him up, go down. No, go down. How will I get through this maze? Right, I've got him on that side. Let's see if we can now make it all the way through. Come on, he's coming up. Right, I want him this side. Then I want to go around. I need to lure him as high as I possibly can without him actually getting me in this corner. And then lure him there. Yes, got it. Oh, I stood still. Well, I got it open. Right. I finally made it. I finally made it. Now I just need to get to that door. So let's see if I can go through the door. Where's the ghost? Oh, the ghost is up there. So that's fine. I can lure him down here. And I can then go wait for that monster to come down. Then go. Right now, hopefully I'll make it. Back up. Just bring him closer, run to that side, run there, bring him down to the corner. Actually, I need to bring him up there. Then I need to sneak down, and there we go. Okay, so that works. Phew, that was intense. Okay, so that's how that works. So let's just double click that, move that back into position, back into position, back into position. So we've got our 3 levels. So that's quite cool. So one thing I might actually do with this, with the object ghost, because it's quite hard, I might make that a 0.8 or something. In fact, I will do that. I know I can do it with a 1, but it is tricky. Actually, I'm not gonna do that right now. But that is it. So we've got our ghost. If we go back to our ghost features, so you have to step through. It has to check all the time where the hero is, and then you have to move towards the hero by using the object hero, the name of the object hero, and the .x coordinates and the .y coordinates, and then at a speed of 1 or whatever you want to make it, to follow it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That makes it much more interesting, and we have 3 levels. I think what I'll do is that's what I'll keep it as 3 levels, and then in the next video what we'll start to do is maybe start adding lives, or start deducting points, or something like that, depending on where we can take this game. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.